Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a 2025 Kenworth. I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to mask these things, and then I'm going to be spraying it. So this thing has 2,000 kilometers on it, and she's getting a new paint job. So once you have both sides wrapped, what I do is I run a piece of paper in between the tanks so that nothing can kind of go farther forward. I didn't show that. That is just one thing I do. So one thing we always do is if you're putting black, then you put a black epoxy primer. If you're doing white, always put a white epoxy primer. Sometimes you can get some colors they'll even tint the epoxy primer for you, but certain companies won't. That way when it chips, at least it's the same color underneath. Like I did mention before, these tri-drives are a lot more work than a tandem, so I would keep that in mind if you're looking to do one of these. As always, guys, I really do appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.